As a high-tech manufacturer, you create top-notch, complex products every day. Having a coordinated global supply chain is essential. Whether your day-to-day involves managing plants or outsourcing to contract manufacturers, it's vital that you have visibility of your global operations to support lean and discrete manufacturing models. But without the proper systems and processes in place, without factoring in short product life cycles across discrete manufacturing models, and rapid innovation, even at early stages, you're at a disadvantage. Imagine streamlining your supply chain to gain full visibility of your global operations. Visualize using connected technology to power predictive analytics, monitor performance, and provide proactive customer support. Envision working with a partner who understands your business challenges and what can set you apart. The future might look fuzzy, but with Armanino, you can see clearly. We partner with customers to help identify and align the right business applications for your unique company and industry needs, and the processes that will help you stay competitive in global markets. Our team works with you to develop a long-term plan so you can realize your greatest potential through digital transformation at all stages. As a gold-certified Microsoft partner, we offer strategic growth roadmaps and key business technologies to support your digital transformation. Microsoft Dynamics Business Applications Platform is flexible and scalable to grow with your business. It can replace an aging system and integrate seamlessly with ones already in place, both Microsoft Office and myriad other programs. If your organization is preparing for change and you're not sure of the next steps, look no further. Armanino can help you see further and see clearly. Your supply chain's next step is right now with Armanino.